So, in this fourth lesson, Aiming High, we are learning about Smita. Smita dreams of becoming a pilot, but she becomes doubtful of her career when one of the boys remarks that girls should only do things they can handle. Here, Smita is having a desire to become a pilot, but all are discouraging her to become a career, to select a career as a pilot. And we can see what is happening here. Smita's ears burned and her cheeks flushed with embarrassment. She fought back her tears as the discouraging words of her classmate continued to ring in her ears. You can never be a pilot. You are just a girl. Your only hope of flying is to become an air hostess. Okay, she is desiring to become a pilot. So all are discouraging her and all are telling her you can become an air hostess, not a pilot. Okay, so we can see when she got this desire to become a pilot, it had all started with a career fair. So there was a career fair in her school, and in that school had organized to help students plan their professional future. For planning the future of the students, there was a career guidance class in the school. For as long as she could remember, Smita had been fascinated by the idea of becoming a pilot, so she got the desire from the school itself. Though excited, Smita waited patiently for her turn to talk to the career counselor there. She had all her questions listened down and knew exactly what information she needed. So she was desiring for a person to speak with, to discuss with, and share her desire to become a pilot. So there came a facilitator and counselor to speak about the pilot, the job of pilot, and she had decided to ask about what courses to take in college. So feeling dejected, Smita was just about to turn away and leave the stall when she felt a hand gently grip her shoulder, and Kaushik, a boy, was simply teasing her, discouraging her. Then there is a teacher called Miss Vadia. She is encouraging her and she is telling to Kaushik, you seem to be ill informed, Kaushik. There are women pilots too. Okay, miss, if you say so, Kaushik replied, a little embarrassed. Okay, then here one day, a lady, a pilot comes there and taking a class for a career guidance class for all the students in the school. So that lady's name is Zaria, Miss Zarin. Today we have a mistress, a very special guest who is here to talk to you. She said, she is my cousin Miss Zarin. So teacher has taken her cousin Miss Zarin to the school for taking, for giving, for delivering a class for them. Okay, for all the students who wanted to become pilot. So there was an audible gasp when Miss Zarin walked in, smartly dressed in a commercial pilot uniform. The four stripes at the end of the uniform sleeves clearly indicated that she was a captain. Hello, girls and boys, she greeted the class. I'm Captain Zarin. I'm a pilot with the Skyline Airways. And I'm here to talk to you about high flying women, aviation careers. Now, who can tell me the name of the first woman in India to fly an aeroplane? Without waiting for a response, she turned and wrote in the board, Saria Thakrel. Captain Zarain then went on to explain how Zaria became a pilot. So now, so happily, a pilot, a captain, a lady is taking class on her own job. She is a pilot. So here, our Smita was desiring to become a pilot. So Smita was desiring for a career guidance class. Now Miss Vadia, the science teacher, has taken her cousin, a captain and pilot lady, and she is handling class. And now all the doubts of our Smita is getting cleared. And now she is so determined. Now she has willpower and now she is desiring and deciding once after all the studies in school and the high secondary she will select the aviation and she will become a pilot and she will definitely ride an aeroplane. So that is a desire. So if you're having the same desire, you can also win in life. You can be also successful in life. So you must have a desire, and you have to try hard to be succeed in life too. So thank you. So here in the page number 24, there are a few questions for answering. The first question is, what does gender equality mean in terms of career options? And second one, why did Smita feel bad about Kaushik's comment? And third one, what did Captain Zarain visit bring about in the class? So you have understood, okay, the meaning of the lesson, the moral values in the lesson. So you can write down in one or two sentences the answer. And what do the following do? A food critic, animator, robotics engineer, driving instructor, golfer, author. What these people are doing. And what would you do in the following situations? You, a girl, notice your grandmother ask your brother about his career plan but not you. So in this question, your grandmother is asking, okay, your brother about the career plan and not asking you and just simply leaving you without asking about your career. So how do you respond? Okay, that is the answer. You have to begin. So this is the way. There are a few questions and you have to try to answer. Okay, and send me the answers. Thank you.